Welcome to this video. This video fully made by AI. Hello everyone and welcome back to Andrew's Countdown. If you're a foodie but don't have enough time to spend in the kitchen, then today's video is just for you. In this episode, we've gathered 10 of the most delicious recipes that can be made in under 30 minutes. From grilled chicken skewers to creamy mushroom pasta and lemon garlic chicken, you'll find something to satisfy every craving. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. Number 1. Grilled chicken skewers with vegetables. This recipe is perfect for a healthy and delicious meal that's easy to prepare. Simply marinate your chicken and veggies for a few minutes, skewer them, and grill them up for a perfect summer dish. The combination of juicy chicken and grilled vegetables is sure to please your taste buds. Serve it up with a side of rice or quinoa for a complete meal. Number 2. Shrimp scampi. If you're in the mood for seafood, this shrimp scampi recipe is a must-try. It's a classic Italian dish that's quick and easy to make and bursting with flavor, thanks to the garlic, lemon, and white wine sauce. It's perfect served over a bed of pasta for a filling and satisfying meal. Number 3. Grilled cheese and tomato soup. Sometimes, all you want is a classic comfort food dish, and this grilled cheese and tomato soup recipe is just that. It's a perfect combination of crispy grilled cheese sandwich and creamy tomato soup that will satisfy your hunger in no time. Make the soup while you grill up the sandwich, and you'll have a perfect meal in under 30 minutes. Number 4. Creamy mushroom and spinach pasta. This pasta dish is a vegetarian's delight and packed with flavor that takes just 20 minutes to make. The creamy mushroom and spinach sauce is both indulgent and healthy, making it the perfect weeknight meal. Serve it up with a side salad for a balanced and satisfying dinner. Number 5. Thai basil beef stir-fry. If you're in the mood for something with a bit of spice, this Thai basil beef stir-fry is the perfect choice. It's loaded with fresh vegetables and packed with flavor, thanks to the combination of soy sauce, fish sauce, and chili paste. Serve it over a bed of rice for a complete meal that's sure to please. Number 6. Broiled salmon with lemon butter. This broiled salmon recipe is both quick and delicious. The lemon butter sauce adds a burst of flavor to the dish, and it takes just a few minutes to prepare. Serve it up with a side of roasted vegetables for a healthy and filling meal that's perfect for any occasion. Number 7. Lemon garlic chicken. This lemon garlic chicken recipe is perfect for a quick and easy dinner that's full of flavor. The combination of lemon, garlic, and herbs gives the chicken a burst of tanginess that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Serve it up with a side of mashed potatoes or roasted vegetables for a complete meal. Number 8. Tomato and basil bruschetta. If you're in the mood for something light and refreshing, this tomato and basil bruschetta recipe is the perfect choice. It takes just a few minutes to prepare and is bursting with flavor. The combination of fresh tomatoes, basil, and garlic is sure to make your taste buds sing. Serve it up as an appetizer or pair it with a side salad for a light lunch. Number 9. Greek yogurt chicken salad. This Greek yogurt chicken salad recipe is both healthy and delicious. It takes just 15 minutes to prepare and is packed with protein and fresh vegetables. The combination of Greek yogurt, chicken, and veggies makes it a perfect lunch option. Serve it up on a bed of greens or in a sandwich for a filling meal. Number 10. Veggie stir-fry with tofu. This veggie stir-fry recipe is perfect for a vegetarian or vegan meal that's both healthy and delicious. The combination of tofu, fresh vegetables, and soy sauce gives it a satisfying umami flavor that will make your taste buds sing. Serve it up over a bed of rice for a complete meal that's sure to satisfy. And there you have it, folks. 10 delicious recipes that you can make in under 30 minutes. We hope that you found these recipes helpful and that you give them a try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy recipe videos like this one. Also, if you have any recipe requests or ideas, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on our latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon on Andrew's Countdown.